Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to block emails on Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to block emails on your Gmail account, first open up your Gmail app on your phone. And after opening your Gmail app, guys, open the mailbox of that person or of that email which you want to block on Gmail. For example, I'll be opening this one where it says the Steven Cymatics. So you can see, guys, these persons have sending me a lot of things over here which I like, but for the demo's purpose I'll be blocking them. So over here on their email, guys, you can see at the right side of that email, over here where I'm tapping, there is a three dotted icon just beside the unsubscribe. We'll be required to tap on the three dotted icon over here at the top right corner of the mail and not the interface over here. This is not the three dotted icon we want to tap, which is at the top right corner of this interface, but we want to tap on the three dotted icon which is at the top right corner of this mail. Particularly tap on the three dotted icon and this kind of menu will appear where you can see the block that person option available for us. After you tap on the block like this, that person will be immediately blocked on your Gmail. So you can do this to any emails over here. For example, let's go with this one where it says the Book Hub. Similarly, you can see they have been advertising over here. Now in order to block them, tap on the three dotted icon at the right side of the email name over here, and this kind of menu will appear, and tap on block, and then that email on Gmail will be blocked. And with that being said, guys, this is how to block emails on Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.